Hello everyone, need to update your password in Qwenlm.ai? Maybe you want something stronger or just want to change things up for security. No problem at all, it's super quick and easy process. Let's jump right in. First thing you have to do is go to Qwenlm website and make sure that you have already logged into your account. If you haven't, simply log into your account. Once you are in, look for the profile icon or name, which is usually at the top right corner. It's over here. Click on that and that will open an option for settings. Tap on it. Now under the settings section, you can see a lot of options. What we need right now is account, which is over here. Tap on it. Alright, now you are on your account setting page. And so we need to find the section related to your password. It's over here, change password, and there's a drop down just beside it. Now tap the drop down. Then you will be asked to enter your current password and new password, then confirm password. And here's what you have to do. First, you have to enter your current password for the security variation. Go ahead and type your current password. Type it over here. Next up, think of your new strong password. Type it carefully into the new password field. Make sure it's something you will remember, but also something secure. Almost there. Now make sure you typed it correctly. Re-enter your new password into the confirm new password section. After you are done, tap on update password. And that's it. You have successfully changed your password. From now on, use your new password to log in into Qwenlm.ai. See, didn't I told you it was easy? Changing your password regularly is a good habit to keep your account secure. And if this video made your day a little bit easier, don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.